In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lists in ClickUp. ClickUp is a powerful productivity platform that allows individuals and teams to organize tasks, projects, and workflows all in one place. Whether you're managing a personal to-do list or collaborating on a complex project, creating lists in ClickUp is a foundational skill that helps you stay organized and focused. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to set up a new list, customize it to fit your workflow, and start using it effectively. So, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to www.clickup.com. Once you're on the ClickUp homepage, sign into your account. You can do this by entering your email and password or by using a connected service like Google for a quicker login. After signing in, make sure you're in the correct workspace. This is especially important if you belong to multiple workspaces within ClickUp. You can verify this by checking the workspace name at the top left corner of the screen. Now, look for the sidebar on the left side of your homepage. This is where you'll find all your spaces, folders, and lists. You'll want to identify the specific space or folder where you want your new list to reside. Spaces and folders are the primary ways ClickUp organizes tasks, so choosing the right location is key. Once you've located the space or folder, hover your mouse over its name. As you do this, a small plus icon will appear next to the name. Click on that plus icon to open a menu of options. From this menu, select List to indicate that you want to create a new list. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new list. Choose a name that is clear and descriptive, so you and your team can easily understand its purpose. For example, if the list is for a marketing project, you might name it Marketing Campaign Tasks. After naming your list, you'll have the option to configure statuses. These are the steps that tasks in your list will go through as they progress. For example, you might use statuses like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Take a moment to set these up to match your team's workflow. If needed, you can also add a short description to give additional context about what this list is for. This is especially helpful if you're working with a team and want everyone to understand the purpose of the list at a glance. At this point, ClickUp also offers you the choice to use a template for your list. Templates can save time by providing a preset structure, but if you'd rather start fresh, you can skip this step and begin from scratch. When everything is set up to your liking, click the Create button to finalize your new list. Finally, verify that your new list appears in the sidebar and opens on your screen. You should now see it listed under the space or folder where you created it. From here, you're ready to start adding tasks and organizing your workflow. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and start organizing your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.